Several issues were tackled concerning the Department of Interior and Local Government, or DILG, during the lower house hearing on the agency's proposed budget for 2025. A lawmaker asked why the Philippine National Police, or PNP, which is an attached agency of the DILG, seems unable to arrest big-time personalities and unable to easily nab an ordinary citizen. How the agency was able to respond to this query, Mela Las Moras reveals in this story.
I would just like to place it on record na hindi ho kami ganon. As far as Kibuloy is concerned and the others, ginagawa namin. In fact, dinimanda po kami on record. Nakadimanda po ako ngayon, ang PNP, dahil sa pag-raid po namin sa Kingdom of Jesus. And we are going to answer these accusations against us. Just for the record, hindi po kami ganon. Maski sino po, hahanapin po namin.
DILG Secretary Benher Abalos hit back against the criticism from Kabataan Party List Representative Raul Manuel, who highlighted the PNP's alleged inability to arrest big personalities. The young lawmaker cited Kingdom of Jesus Christ Executive Pastor Apollo Kibuloy and the ousted mayor of Bamban Tarlac, Alice Guo, who until now are nowhere to be found. But PNP emphasized they are working hard to get them the soonest time possible.
Kapag mga big personalities talaga, parang hirap-hirap na arestuhin ng PNP. Pero kapag ordinaryong tao, ang dali lang na hulihin. So, kailangan talagang mag-ayos, Madam Chair, at hindi dapat yan pabayaan lang.
Where continuous po yung investigation namin and continuous po yung tracking po natin. Not only the Philippine National Police but all the agencies involved. Special po yung Bureau of Immigrations and of course yung intelligence unit po natin from National Security Agency.
This issue was brought up during the hearing of the House Committee on Appropriations on the proposed 2025 budget of the DILG and its attached agencies. Compared to their allocation for this year, the budget proposal for the DILG next year is larger at 281.3 billion pesos. Lawmakers are calling on the department to intensify its response on various issues. For the Bureau of Jail Management and Penology, legislators are pushing for a budget increase for the food of persons deprived of liberty.
Sana po ma-improve dahil kasi po safety, health, pag nagkasakit po, lalo pong malaking problema.
We have a request of 100 pesos from 70 pesos and also from 15 pesos doon po sa medical nila, doon sa mga medicines, to 30 pesos. And I hope and pray that all of you here would support us.
Meanwhile, on the issue of calamities, the lower house is also urging the DILG to further act on the problem of flooding.
For the last 4 or 5 months, umiikot na po kami every Saturday alas 5 ng umaga. Walang ginawa kundi maglinis. It's more of changing the attitude about garbage. No? Kasi garbage, yan ang number 1 na nagbabara ng ating mga kanal-kanal. Yung pong big tickets flood control ay with the Department of Public Works.
The DILG assured to beef up its programs for environmental protection and disaster resiliency, peace and order, and enhancing the capacity of local government units. Mela Las Moras from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.